Alright, so here is how to make salmon. These are sockeye salmons from Sam's Club. Really delicious little salmon steaks here. Not too much in each one. I think they're maybe 4 or 5 ounces, maybe 5 ounces each. Put in just about, doesn't need to be that much, maybe a tablespoon of butter. And put the stove on about a medium heat. I would say the stove is around 4.5. I would say about 4.5. And then put in just a little bit of olive oil with the butter. Maybe just about a tablespoon, not too much of that. That's all it really takes. And we're gonna wait for this to melt. All right, so the butter is melted. It's gotten a little hot after a couple minutes. You just take these out, put them. So here we have the other one. Put it in skin side up, like that. A little bit of salt. Thyme, organic thyme. I'm going to put that on a little later. By the way, the butter I use here is Kerrygold Pure Irish butter. It's grass-fed butter. It's really the best kind you can buy. So you let this cook about, I would say, probably a good 4 or 5 minutes or so, until you can sort of see the white, the red salmon becomes at least halfway white on here. All right, so this has been in here about maybe 4 or so minutes. It's about, you can see the red part of the salmon has become mostly white. So we're gonna just turn this over like this. Put a little salt on this side also. And a little thyme as well. Okay. And then get a spoon and sort of drizzle the butter and olive oil on top, kind of basting it. We're going to let that sit another couple minutes on this side. Remember to don't turn it too hot. I would say at the very most you can turn it, say, to a 5. High is all the way, 5 is about medium. It's like in the middle. You don't want it to be too high. You don't want it to be too low either. Just nice medium heat. So let's baste this again. You want to look at the skin side. You want to make sure the skin side is a little crispy. But you do want to eat the skin. It's actually good for you. So I want to baste it a little more here. And I think these are done. We're going to get a plate. You don't want to cook them too much. It's better a little too little than too much. Then you get the extra butter and olive oil like that. And voila, we have beautiful sockeye salmon here with thyme and butter and olive oil. Dig in.